Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Star Wars is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after LEGO sets for collectors and fans alike, offering an unparalleled building experience that transports you straight into the heart of the galaxy far, far away. This meticulously designed model captures the essence of a legendary spacecraft, promising hours of immersive fun and a stunning display piece that will be the envy of any LEGO enthusiast. Get ready to embark on an epic journey as we dive deep into what makes this particular set a must-have for your collection. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic TV show. Inside, you'll find the iconic cafe studio along with all your favorite characters. Recreate memorable scenes with the included minifigures and their cool accessories. This 1070-piece set offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's the perfect gift for fans and a great way to enjoy solo or shared building fun. This set is compatible with existing LEGO toys, bricks, and characters. Feel free to create your own unique models and tell new stories with your existing collection. Standing over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful set makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office. What we like. This set brings the iconic Central Perk Cafe to life with beloved characters. If you're a huge fan of the show and love recreating memorable moments, this is the perfect build for you. It's ideal for displaying your love for friends. What people say. With 1070 pieces, this set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. From the iconic orange couch to the detailed counter area and the stage where Phoebe sings Smelly Cat, every element feels authentic and nostalgic. The set includes 7 minifigures: Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Number 4. LEGO City Great Vehicles Holiday Camper Van 60283. Embark on exciting adventures with this holiday camper van toy. Its opening side and removable roof make vacation roleplay easy and fun. This set comes with mom, dad, and baby minifigures, plus a table, kitchenette, and sleeping area. It's perfect for little ones aged 5 and up. Included accessories like a camping stove, baby carrier, and picnic items add to the realism. You can even bring a camera and cups for your trip. Drive to your favorite spot, set up camp, and enjoy a delicious family picnic. The possibilities for outdoor fun are endless. With a printed building guide and access to the free LEGO Building Instructions app, building is simple. Instructions Plus makes it even easier for smart devices. This toy car is a fantastic birthday or Christmas gift. It sparks imagination through realistic scenarios, making it ideal for boys and girls. What we like. This camper van offers a delightful family camping experience with its furnished interior and openable features. If you enjoy imaginative play and creating stories about vacations, this set is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for younger builders who love realistic vehicle scenarios. What people say. The design offers a fun challenge that helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. The details are incredible, from the opening roof and doors to the fun little accessories like the mini camping stove and coffee cups. Great little LEGO set with lots of small intricate pieces and details. Number 3. LEGO Creator Expert NASA Apollo 11 Lunar Lander 10266. Embark on an incredible journey with this detailed replica of the Apollo 11 lunar lander. It's designed for an authentic space experience, bringing the moon landing right to your fingertips. Explore the intricate details of this modular set, featuring a descent stage with realistic landing pads and movable elements. It's a true-to-life representation of the iconic spacecraft. Step inside the ascent stage, which is complete with space for 2 astronaut minifigures. A special nameplate commemorates this historic mission. This collector's set comes with 2 astronaut minifigures, ready to recreate the historic moonwalk. They are adorned with authentic NASA decorations and golden helmets. This building model offers a challenging yet rewarding experience for adults. Once completed, it serves as an impressive centerpiece for any home or office display. What we like. This set is a highly detailed replica of the Apollo 11 lunar lander, complete with lunar surface details. If you're fascinated by space exploration and enjoy building intricate display models, this is an excellent option. It's a rewarding challenge for adult builders and a stunning centerpiece. What people say. The set is a great addition to the collection, with intricate details and accurate representations of the characters. The build was challenging but rewarding, resulting in a sturdy and impressive model. The play features are well integrated, allowing for dynamic posing and display options. Number 2. LEGO Star Wars AT Walker 75288. Relive the epic moments of the iconic Star Wars series with this special 40th anniversary LEGO brick recreation of the legendary AT Walker. Bring your battles to life with 6 included LEGO Star Wars minifigures. You'll find Luke Skywalker, General Veers, 2 AT drivers, and 2 snowtroopers, all equipped with their weapons. This impressive vehicle features posable legs and a posable head. The opening cockpit can hold up to 3 minifigures, and it's equipped with spring-loaded shooters for action-packed play. Recreate key scenes with its fold-out panels, a speeder bike, and a working winch. There's even a bottom hatch, perfect for Luke to throw in that thermal detonator element. This set is not only a fantastic display piece but also makes an incredible gift for any Star Wars fan aged 10 and up. Surprise the kids, boys, and girls in your life with this amazing collectible. What we like. This is a brick-built version of the legendary AT Walker, featuring posable limbs and an opening cockpit. If you're a Star Wars fan who loves iconic vehicles and action-packed play, this set is for you. It's a great gift for young fans and a cool display piece. What people say. You get a ton of minifigs, a great-looking walker that has a ton of playability and is very posable. The walker is very sturdy, it refused to fall over when someone bumped my shelf, meanwhile all the minifigs tumbled. The legs are movable, the head neck swivels, the sides open up and there is a string pulley that goes up and down so the figurines can go up into it when they're playing. Number 1. LEGO Star Wars Imperial Star Destroyer 75252. Build and display the Devastator, a LEGO Star Wars Ultimate Collector Series model. This giant from Star Wars, A New Hope is a must-have for collectors. It includes a display stand, an informational fact plaque, and 2 Imperial minifigures with weapons. This makes it a truly authentic Galactic Civil War collector's item. This incredible set also features a buildable scale model of the Tantive 4. Fans will instantly recognize it from the opening scenes of the very first Star Wars movie. This amazing model offers a challenging building experience. It's a great holiday and birthday gift for serious LEGO brick and Star Wars fans aged 16 and up. This collectible set has 4,784 pieces. On its display stand, it measures over 17 inches high, 43 inches long, and 26 inches wide. In other words, it's huge. What we like. This is an enormous, highly detailed Imperial Star Destroyer from the Ultimate Collector series. If you're a dedicated LEGO and Star Wars collector looking for a truly impressive display piece, this is the ultimate set. Its sheer size and detail make it a showstopper for any fan. What people say. The level of surface detail relative to the 2002 Star Destroyer release is stunning. The stubs add a texture to the surfaces that stands in well for the tiniest details, while the regular LEGO scale detail pieces bring amazing, movie-like realism. The stand is well designed for tabletop display. Fortunately, it does have a deliberate handle right at its central balance point to which I can attach several wires for hanging. This is a great addition to the recent iconic ship releases from Star Wars. The Imperial Star Destroyer Devastator, swelling endlessly to fill the entire theater, that literally caused audience mouths to drop open. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.